Hi, my name is Brian with Ace Appliance in Toledo, Ohio, and welcome back to another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. Alright, we have a Whirlpool dryer, and the customer complaint on this is it's making a loud noise during operation. So what we found here, we'll start it up and let you listen to the noise we're hearing. Further information that we got is possibly something fell down the lint filter here. So looks like we got, and that's definitely where the noise is coming from, in the blower housing from the back here. So we definitely have something that fell down through our lint filter here, got into the blower wheel compartment, and is now rubbing against the blower wheel and creating noise. So what we're going to have to do is turn this around, take the back panel off, and remove the debris from the blower housing. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is remove our dryer vent from the back. And to remove the back panel now, which is our next step, we're going to remove the 1/4" screws that hold it in place. Alright, now we can see our blower housing here. To remove this, we're actually going to have to take off the 1/4" screws around the edge of it to release it from the cabinet. And also, back up top there, we're going to remove our lint filter, and there's going to be 2 Phillips screws that we're going to have to remove up there that attach the lid to the blower duct here. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and remove our 2 Phillips screws at the top. First, we're going to remove our lint filter, and you'll be able to see the 2 Phillips screws. Take off our blower housing. We're going to remove the bottom first, out of the lip of the bottom of the frame. And now our top will swivel out. You can set this aside. This is a good time to clean this out of any lint, any debris that are inside of here that you might have. Alright, so you can see here the blower wheel. This is screwdrivers in here where it's not supposed to be in there. So just like we had thought, something that fell down through the lint filter when the lint screen was out, got stuck down here in the blower wheel compartment, and that was creating all of our noise. You can actually see this screwdriver is in here like this. If we flip it over, you can see where the back half of the screwdriver is all shaved down from where it's been rubbing against the plastic blades of the blower wheel. So what you want to do is just check your blower wheel for any damage. The fins are a little worn down from where they've been rubbing, but they're not bad at all. But you just want to make sure your blower wheel is still attached, that you don't have any broken fins or anything like that. Just inspect it, and if it's broken, you're going to have to replace it. In this case, this one's good, so we're just going to have to get the screwdriver out like we already did and put it back together. So this is our screwdriver, and you can see with it rubbing on the fan blade the damage it did to the screwdriver. Alright, now we're ready to go ahead and put it all back together. We'll start with our blower duct here. Make sure we have it all cleaned out. We're going to start with putting the top in first. The bottom up over top of the lip of the bottom of the frame and into place there. We'll reattach our 1/4" screws. The customer also said that they're getting moisture inside the dryer, the condensation buildup or water, and that's going to be from the blower wheel not being able to circulate the airflow as good as it should, or not at all, and that's from that screwdriver being stuck in there. Could have got lodged in there to where it wasn't spinning at all at one point, or just slowed down the airflow to where it wasn't able to remove the moisture from the unit and was creating our condensation buildup. Next, we'll install our 2 Phillips screws through the lid into the blower duct. You want to line the holes up and then go ahead and reinstall your screws. We can reinstall our lint screen. Alright, now we can go ahead and reinstall our back panel. We're going to line the bottom up. There's a lip on the bottom of the panel that will sit on the bottom lip of the cabinet. The gas line goes into the notched part on the right, the bottom notched area of the back panel, and obviously your dryer vent duct will come up through the hole in the back center. So you'll line the bottom up and lift the top into place and go ahead and reinstall your 1/4" screws. I'm going to start with just putting one here in the center, and then we'll get our electrical cover. There's a notch on the left side that will insert into the hole of the back cabinet and swing it over to the right and reinstall the screw. And now we can reinstall our dryer vent. Alright, now that we got the dryer back, we just want to check our connections in the back. Make sure our vent stayed on, and with a gas dryer, you just want to check for any gas leaks, listen, smell, and you can even use a bubble leak detector or something like that. So everything looks good. We can go ahead and start the dryer up and test it out. Alright, with the dryer running now, it sounds a lot better. We have some clothes in there, so the clothes are making some noise, but we definitely don't have the grinding noise that we had before. Now that the screwdriver is removed, we're just going to let it run for a bit and make sure it heats up and check our airflow. Alright, and we do have heat. It's heating up, so that will complete our repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com.